Now wow, this Weibo. Now too do. No, this one now too do. Waiting. Now they sleep. Now they sleep when this kind of happen. Sure. Now they sleep. See, small rapper they go carry. What cause of what's this small rapper they go carry self? I said I want to say picky. Small picky. How it happen? See. Even those are the windows. I was like, come outside. I can't drive this picky. Come out. I don't find way. Nothing must do that picky, no. Nothing must do that picky. When to do that picky, I no go take her easy with him. I go find her. Come on, that rapper, find big rapper, Joe. Me na near that side. Push inside. That's what they do. Come outside. They fear you want you. This kind of thing from Nigeria never. They the big picking for that side now. Now you cause all this one. They the big picking. Can't try for Nigeria. Wow, not to do. Nothing must do that picking. I be my own shot. Nothing.
அந்த வீட்டுக்காரங்க இல்லையா? எந்த வீட்ல இருந்து உழுதுதான் குழந்தை தெரியும். எந்த வீட்ல இருந்து உழுந்தது குழந்தை? ஐயோ ஐயோ கடவுளே பச்சைமா பச்சைமா அந்த குழந்தைக்கு அம்மா அப்பா யாருமே காணுமே. ஐயோ அப்பா எங்க இருந்து விட்டாங்க குழந்தைய?